professor said his life's work was dedicated to all of those who live down there. Sonic, I think I've discovered what the ultimate life form is. It might be you.
start the Chow Garden Tour. You can get to the other side if you use the blocks wisely.
Ouch!
Your Chow will transform
The pieces of the
and
Master
get more
Emerald I
speed
collected are
using
now
jump
floating
dash.
in space.
Try grinding up
We
the
should have
steep
secured them
incline.
better in the
It's
shuttle
fun.
cargo bay.
Try using it in the water. It will let you breathe underwater. Try using it in the water. The radar is at the bottom of the screen. When you get close to the emerald, the color of the light becomes red. I'm late again.
Go! Now I know what's going on!
Shadow told me to bring the Chaos Emerald and join him at the space colony, Ark.
What in the world? I don't quite know what happened or what went wrong. Was it a mistake to create
You're
the
not
ultimate
Sonic.
life
Who
form?
are you?
I thought it would be something that would benefit me.
I'll give you the Chow Garden Tour. Listen carefully. Now, let me tell you how to care for your Chow. Log on to as many dynamite packs
shoot.
as possible. It's a chance to get more points.
Shadow, you need rest. Let me give it a try.
A jewel containing the ultimate power.
I'm Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog.
That's right. If I use this, I just might be able to stop the Chaos Emerald. Nothing can stop the colony now.
I'm Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog.
He just blew up half the moon with his powerful weapon, and now he's threatening to take over the planet. I'll make sure that won't happen.
Just let it go. You just don't know when to give up, do you?
You're no match for me.
I'll show you the skills that make me the ultimate treasure hunter.
First, I have to find a safe place to hide.
I see. But you know, I can't let you live. Your adventuring days are coming to an end.
Destroying that dark robot was spectacular!
Eggman says he's wired this island to blow up in less than 5 minutes!
Knuckles the Echidna. Just call me Knuckles.
Beware of the beetle
Hey there.
robots.
What are you
Get covered
doing?
in the shadows, or else it will shoot a laser at you.
If we get into
I'm
the
the
limo,
world's ultimate
we can
liar.
trace the call to find Eggman.
You can change the theme on your menu screen.
You know, what can I say? I die hard. Yeah.
So we'll have all the pieces very shortly.
Chaos Emerald!
I found you!
This is
Faker.
the power-up version of the Vulcan missile.
I'm Dr. Eggman.
I've never been here before. I'm going sightseeing.
Echidna has been following me. He's so persistent.
What he was. A brave and heroic hedgehog. He gave his life to save his planet. Shadow the Hedgehog.
Log on to as many dynamite packs as possible. It's
Hold
a
on.
chance to get more points.
If we get into the limo, we can trace the call to find Eggman.
This is the huge oasis. Attack. Use his attack to ascend.
What happened?
The diary looked like it was sealed inside the military research facility when it was shut down over 50 years ago.
What do you mean?
This is the green room.
Sonic, get past the energy field to get to the core. You're our last chance.
What's all that writing on the wall anyway? Did you write that?
things while trying to avoid him. Here's how to use the Chow Transporter. Repeatedly attack Shadow to drop his teeth. Then attack. The bumpy planet.
They got away!
The emerald may be buried underground. Did you find a digging tool?
Citizens of Earth!
How's this?
This is the Holy Planet.
Select a story.
You know, what can I say? I die
Just
hard.
wait a minute.
Hurry, hurry, hurry!
I gotta get out of here. Find Amy and Tails right away.
Having to come back isn't my idea of a vacation. How
Someone
can you be
designed
sure
that
your
weapon to be
intelligence works
impenetrable
correctly?
from outside attack. It's the fence shield.
For all people who live on that planet.
The somersault can be used to defeat enemies, break wooden containers, and get through tight
Where did he
spaces.
go now?
I'm Shadow the Hedgehog, the one and only ultimate life form.
Sonic Adventure 2. Last episode. Wishes are eternal.
Take that, Eggman! You ready to give up?
Come on and light the fuse, he's a rocket and he's ready to go. Now the countdown has started and it's ready to blow. He's got the dope sounds pumping in his stereo. Kicking it fast.
Select a
Put it
scene.
on his show. When I get yourself together, there's no time to rest. And if you put the time in, it'll put you
I'm Shadow the Hedgehog, the one and only ultimate life form.
Timing couldn't be worse. Just when I thought I had everything under control, Shadow showed up. I have to end this battle against that black hedgehog now.
Yay! All right!
The door is locked. We need a key to get in there.
More speed using jump dash. Try climbing up the steep
Time for a change of
story.
From the National Reserve.
Not bad.
What's up, Faker? Give up?
That blue hedgehog again, of all places.
Sonic!
Yahoo!
That's ridiculous. There's no way
Release
two
A
hedgehogs
button
can
to
stop
drop.
the colony now.
This time I won't lose.
The three of you, freeze! Put your hands
What do you
up
mean,
in the
don't
air
sweat
and
it?
get
Land
on
the
the
shovel and
ground.
let me out.
The last Chaos Emerald will be within my reach soon.
Ah!
Hands off me!
The military's top-secret weapon, Project Shadow, was stolen from the military base located on the deserted island in the southern seas. This incident increased worldwide terrorist activities. Sonic the Hedgehog was arrested. The adventure for truth leads to the incidents that shock the entire world. The story takes our hero Sonic from the Earth and into outer space. Sonic Adventure 2, Hero Side Story. Farewell, Sonic. Forever.
This is a death sentence.
Choose an event you have downloaded.
The end of everything. Here I come!
Who's the fighter with the spiked fist? Knuckles, protect the emeralds and diamonds. Knuckles, spitting hot fire, hater, I advise you.
You can't attack! Aim for its head! That's its weak point! Fine, then just take them! You see the way people around the world! That was a little tough! The newly fearful space going
Knuckles, walking in the cargo bay are those master emeralds.
Please make your selection carefully.
Hey, come on!
Yeah, we'll see about that, girl.